Hi guys, welcome
What
to
is
my
the
video.
side length of the kitchen floor nearest to the nearest hundredths of a foot?
This is a
Bakit kitchen? Wait lang.
Ah?
Square lot with a land area
Ah?
of 27 square feet.
Ah?
What is the side length of the kitchen floor?
ASD natin.
May plan ba? May floor plan ba?
Okay.
Kung may plano dyan, dapat
Chicken.
may plano.
Skip na lang po natin.
Ay bago ko sa
Kaya
Jollibee.
nga, kung one
Bye.
outside one, pwede kasi.
Oo nga.
Chicken burger.
Nagkamali sila ng
Bye.
ito po. Green wants to use this tile to finish the floor in her room.
Chicken nuggets.
The room is a square and has a floor area of 441 square feet. She wants to put 8 inches tiles along the edge of the floor.
Kaya may
8. What is the length of one side of the room? B. How many tiles can she
Oh.
fit along one side? C. How
nagkakaroon.
many tiles does she need in order to cover the floor? So, meron isa
I-drawing mo yung floor.
yung room.
Hindi ko alam mag-ano ng measurement, sorry.
Yung room is square daw.
Ano naman kasi alam mo dyan?
Tapos, yung area daw, the area,
Next ay spaghetti. Spaghetti pala.
square feet. So, gusto niya daw na maglagay
Alis.
is
Ako nga, challenging yan ah.
along the edge of the floor.
Yes.
Uy,
That
ikaw, pareho kayo ni Grasa. Nangiiwan kayo ng mga ano eh.
Mga
Sarap.
gamit na.
gusto nyo din. Ikaw pa kayo mo.
What is the length of one side of the room?
Okay, so ganito yan. There's a room square.
Kain na kayo.
So, agang square. Ilang square feet?
441.
41 square feet. Ibig sabihin ito yung area.
Gusto nyo din. Oh, kain na kayo. Oh.
Kasi yung area, yung formula po niyan is length times width.
Yes. So, para
Sarap.
makita yung ano.
Ang area lang naman yung binigay.
Yes. So, A, 441 is equals to
Bigyan natin si...
9 times width.
Mga kayo lang yung nuggets
Natin,
nila.
kailangan natin malaman.
Ah, sobra?
Kailangan natin magkano
Konti lang po.
kaya with zero.
Ala, naubos mo naman na yan. Anong, paano? Tama na yan ah, nakalima ka na. Isa lang ba kumain ito?
Opo.
Tama na to ha. Kay, ano mo na to, kay mga wala na to, kay dito ha.
Kaya.
May area.
Ayun na lang po. Lapsin na. Lap. Bilgit cake.
Kaya pala, 441.
Pero mas crispy yung
Is this a perfect square?
kasi crispy burger. Ayun po, deliver nila ng bread, di ba?
Yung tiles?
Wala po siya.
8 inches tiles?
Guys. Ano ba? Nila.
220.
Mas masarap kaysa sa ano. Yung mga ano niya, ilagay niyo doon, tapos itapon niyo yung mga
Ano to?
kailangan itapon.
Itong variable eh.
Hmm.
Bakit po dalawang variable? Yung alam ko lang po is one variable.
Chop lang. French
Dalawang.
A French fries.
Wala po tayo.
Push na lang po ba natin? Tingnan ko lang po problem to you. You use 1 gallon of wet paint to every coat of paint. The paint covers 380 square feet per gallon. Estimate the side length of the mural to the nearest copy. No doubt. So, one gallon down. One.
I see.
Ano, bigyan mo ang version. Tapos, yung paint,
Tingnan ko.
380 square feet per gallon. 1 gallon na naman yung sinabi, so bakit siya per gallon? You use 1 gallon of white paint to apply a base coat of paint on a square wall mural. The paint covers 380 square feet per gallon. 1 gallon per gallon. Ano yun?
Ha?
Estimate the side length of the mural to the nearest hundredths of a foot.
Guys, ubusin nyo na. Ah?
Estimate the side length.
So paano natin 21 times 21 siya. Divided by 12.
Bakit sabi niya, 1 gallon lang ng paint. Yung paint na nakaka-cover ng 300
Ay,
square
sorry.
feet per gallon. 1 gallon naman ng paint. Tapos sabi niya, estimate the side length of the mural to the nearest hundredths.
Clarity.
Ano yun?
Wala na.
Ha? Ano yan, price? Hindi po ilagay dito na, ha?
Burger.
52 divided by 8 inches. 41 pieces na tiles. 41.5 pieces of tiles.
51.5
Yung isang line.
Yung isang po.
So, since 31.5,
Pero paano niyo po yung nakuha?
actually, dito inuna ko to, pinayang yung error ko yung dyan times with. Naghanap ako ng pwede kong i-multiply to get the area of 44.1, which is 21 times 41, 21 times 21. 441. Dapat meron isa at least dito eh, sabi ko natin. So,
Maybe explain na ako
Bukas.
na.
Go!
yeah.
So ito na lang, next year ko na lang po tayo. Kasi yung iba naman po,
Ito yung mag-next question ko muna. Kasi may pupunta na.
kasi yung iba
Wala na.
okay naman po, pero ito lang hindi naman
Ay. Last month.
in practical rational numbers on the estimate here is for a root of a rational number which could be considered basic mass.
No. Oh no. Ay. Last month. Ayan. Ayan.
Hello sir, ano kagalakan
Wala
dyan?
tubig.
Hello? 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 Oh, ano nangyayari dyan?
Guys. Anak,
It's between
wala nga ako chicken nuggets. Ang guys.
Hello?
square root
Oh.
between 4
Bye. Na-joke lang.
Pero,
Ubus na. Ano lang? One piece. One piece na to. Papalit ko. Ay, naku. Chicken burger. Utot. Nabusog sila. Yum, 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 yum. Nabusog. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Sarap, sarap, sarap. Sarap, sarap, sarap. Okay.
So, point is,
Okay, guys. Subscribe and like and peace out. Bye. And don't forget is skeleton. Bye.